In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your Pinterest profile link. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Pinterest application and then right here at the bottom right, hit Add your profile picture to open up your profile. And here you can copy your profile link in two different ways. The first is right there, hit Add Share icon and then hit on Copy link. Also, there you can tap at three dots icon and right here tap on Copy Profile Link. Both of that actions copies profile link to clipboard, and now you can open up any messenger, let it be WhatsApp. Here I'll just open up WhatsApp. Now I can open up any conversation and then I can just hit on paste, hit on send to send my profile link to someone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.